Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Beyond Meat, ticker symbol BYND. Now, the Beyond Meat industry has had a lot of competition recently, and some of the companies out there are pretty good, right? Impossible, and a couple other companies that I looked at. But Beyond Meat does have a pretty big market share in a lot of the commercial industry still, and has a pretty big presence at like Walmart and grocery chains. So I still like the stock. I should have been really stacking it up here at 20. I thought it was really good value. Now we're almost to 40. We're at 36.29. I think it's about time. I think we've hit our low and we're recovering. I think it's time to sell another cash cover put. Now, if you guys want to see my real-time stock trades, be sure to join the channel, and you can get those real-time. And my class, options trading class, and stock trading class, join my channel as well, and you guys can enjoy that. Be great to see you there. So, for Beyond Meat, it looks like my technical indicators are saying it could be going higher this week, or it could be going sideways. You can definitely see here in the MACD, you can see some oscillations, so it doesn't really know what it wants to do, but I think we've hit the bottom, and it looks like over time we're slowly grinding up. So that's a good thing. We're above the moving day average here, so that's a good sign, but we're still below the 200 day. Not a great sign, but I think we're going higher. I think we could hit 50 before we hit 20, so I think that's a good thing, and I think this is a good place for me to go. You can see definitely earnings have had impacts. The next earnings should be pretty interesting to hear. I think it's going to be better than this from everything that I've seen, but we'll see. So be sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about stock options and stock trading. Throw some crypto in there, and more technical trading indicators and trade alerts. Thanks for watching.